With the deep depression which developed over the Lakshadweep area moving northeastwards along the Arabian Sea, Central and North Kerala are on full alert for heavy rainfall and strong winds on Saturday. While the depression is likely to intensify into cyclone, Taukte by Saturday move towards Gujarat coast as very severe cyclone storm where it is expected to reach by May 18. Its movement along the coast is expected to cause havoc in northern districts of Kannur and Kasaragod. A red alert, extremely heavy rainfall of more than 20 cm has been sounded in Malappuram, Kozhikode, Wayanad, Kannur, Kasaragod and Union Territory of Lakshadweep on Saturday. Orange alert of 11 to 20 cm for very heavy rainfall in 7 districts of Kollam, Pathanamthitta, Alappuzha, Kottayam, Ernakulam, Idukki and Thrissur. The coastal areas were bearing the brunt of very rough seas and squally weather for the last 3 days as the low-marked pressure area developed into a deep depression along the west coast. Fishermen have been warned to stay off the waters in the region, and all those who were out in the deep sea are back. District administration began evacuating vulnerable families from the coastal regions as sea waters inundated homes in Kollam, Alappuzha, Ernakulam, Malappuram and Kozhikode have been asked to ready relief camps. The Kerala State Disaster Management Authority has issued warnings for landslide or mudslide in the hilly regions. News Desk Kaumudy, English.